He lived down by the track in a rickety shack where his mom and daddy was no good. He would always say he's gonna leave someday, but we never thought he would. When he was old enough, he packed up his stuff and he waited out by the line. I guess he told himself there was nothing else, digging coal in the Clinchfield mine. Well, he'll catch that coal train coming. He can tell it won't be long. He'll hear that coal train coming. We'll look up and he'll be gone. We heard them say he made his way down around San Anton, where he met a nice lady, had a little bitty baby, and he's living in a real fine home. It spread through the holler that he called and told his mama, I love you, but I ain't coming back. Well, now I can see there's something better for me waiting on down the track. I'm gonna catch that coal train coming. I can tell it won't be long. Well, I'll hear that coal train coming. You look up and I'll be gone. Yeah. Now and again I think of my friends and the place where I was raised. But now I'm getting ready for my mama and my daddy, they're coming with me to stay. Well, late at night I turned out the lights, I can still hear the sound of that number 9 rolling down the line, headed straight for pound. I hear that coal train coming. I can tell it won't be long. Well, we'll catch that coal train coming. We'll look up and we'll be gone. We'll look up and we'll be gone. You'll look up and we'll be gone.